This is our main landing page of our website that shows off all the features in a quick gist. Now, what is Vanbandhu? Vanbandhu is India's premier AI-powered Forest Rights Act monitoring platform that empowers governments and the employees to make informed decisions. Now, for authentication and signing in purposes, we have used Clerk. It secures the entire process very efficiently. This is our main dashboard. This is the place from where we will go to the various features of our project. The number one feature of our project is DSS. Here the DSS stands for Decision Support System. This is the decision support system. Imagine transforming mountains of chaotic data into this, a single dynamic dashboard. This isn't just data on a screen, this is unprecedented clarity. At your fingertips, you have a live overview of every asset, their health, their funding, their sources, and their environmental status through NDVI and NDWI analysis. And this is where it gets really powerful. For example, what if we wanted to see only the data related to Madhya Pradesh? Now only the data of Madhya Pradesh will be visible. What if we wanted to go even deeper, like into districts? They will show us the only district related data. Next up, we have FRA Atlas. How do you manage what you can't see? You don't. So we put all the 1740 assets on a living, breathing map. Every point represents a community's lifeline, a pond, a forest, a farm. It's a visual repository of every asset on the ground with details just a hover away. We can zoom in. This is a very responsive map which we are able to zoom in and see the very much details in the map accordingly. Now we can also use filters here. For example, what if we wanted to see only Madhya Pradesh? These belong to Madhya Pradesh. What if we wanted to see Madhya Pradesh active status? See, this is one active. In this way we can apply the filters, clear the filters, and increase the productivity of the government people. But what if we wanted to push the boundaries even further? What if we could just move from monitoring to predicting? Welcome to the forest scheme dashboard. Now this is the crown jewel of our application. We type in a beneficiary's name, for example Arunendra Singh. His other details are filled in automatically, and we can click on check eligibility. As we can see, his location is pointed on this map, and we can see his eligibility probability here. For the JUA, for example, he is not eligible because of only 14% probability, and other details. Now if we go to analysis, we can see a load of other information. We can visualize the data very informatively in this pie chart, this graph chart, and now the map also. We can click on them to go even deeper, as deep as we want and very specific as we want. Now into overview, it is the total overview of our project, like what it has, what people have Jal Jeevan mission, what people have Manrega mission. Finally, all of this data culminates in our high-level analytics dashboards. We provide a bird's eye view of everything: total forest, their assets, their health, their distribution, and their conservation status. Now, if we go to state analytics, we can view per state analytics. For example, if you wanted to view Madhya Pradesh, we can analyze the state, and here it is. All the relevant details are showed. Now in the search forests tab, we can again filter by state, filter by status, filter by type. Everything works. Here it is. In Odisha, for example, the community forest types, there are 2 forests. And in the conservation impact, we can view these categories, which will help the person in charge make informed decisions. Thank you.